Axel buddy. No wind today. Not worried about goats. Pretty fine day. We're gonna head back to town for Mother's Day tomorrow. Nice shiny day. We got loaded up, ready to go yesterday. Got home late from work and the truck battery was dead. That was fun. $320 later. But we made it. Cooked dinner last night. Had a good evening. Got up this morning, did dishes and vacuum and oil change. That was a couple dollars. But looks like they're gonna have the boat launch redone and open by the end of May for crazy season. Axel, he needs to go swimming and he needs some more snacks. So we have the cruise control, awesome navigation system, and not bad for Ponderay in May. Yeah, maybe we'll go look for goats later on. But I need to get the boy here. I need to get Mr. Axel out swimming, cool down, and it's gonna be a pretty good day.